I'm making a new video of Nerf reviews. Here is my Nerf Armoury. I have this gun. And today what gun we will be reviewing is the Nerf Rival Apollo. This is my strongest gun I have. Doesn't it look beastly? It shoots out 4 balls. This is for all the kids. So guys, this gun is for all the kids. So instead of having like these bullets, it has, by the way, this is how you push this down and pick it up. There's 4 balls. Oh god. My balls are falling out.
So how do you load it? You stick it in there?
Yeah, then how you load it is you shove it in, and what you do is you... It also has a safety. And right now the safety is on. Yeah. This is how it looks when you shoot it. And with this review, what we're going to be doing is testing accuracy and distance. This has very far distance, not too good of accuracy. As I am at my top secret shooting range, PS my downstairs underground, and I'm going to be testing how far this thing could shoot. So scared because it's gonna go so far. Fail. 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 Nailed it. So guys, with the bullets, we've maxed out at 58 feet, and every shot I do, it hits 58 feet, so now we're going to do an accuracy test. So guys, now what we are going to do is, I have a camera, he's 20 feet away from me, I have to hit him. You see the tape on his back. I'm aiming for your butt. Number 6 is gonna hit you now. Was that a headshot?
Yeah. Oh, right in the kidneys. No.
The accuracy. Okay, I got him a headshot twice in the back a bunch of times, and I did a close-up butt shot. The distance, crazy. I maxed out at 58 feet, and if you don't know how much is a foot is, it's like 1.5 of these. I mean, like this. This whole thing is 1.5 feet, or maybe 1.25 feet. That's going to be the end of this video. Make sure to like, subscribe. Also, comment down below what you want to see more Nerf reviews. Probably if you like this video. Bye. That's going to be the end of this video. Make sure to like, subscribe. This is going to be the end of this video.